Welcome back to Solidworks for Dummies. So today I am going for exercise 2. So opening the part, let it open, and this is Solidworks 2021. First of all, I will take image as a reference in the Solidworks work plane, and then I'll draw on Solidworks like work plane. So first of all, I have to draw image in the front plane. So I go to the front plane, I sketch, and then I wanna sketch image like so, and go to the sketch picture. There is a command sketch picture. Click here, sketch picture, and I go straight forward to my picture where it is located. So let's open. So this is like kind of reference instead of opening. Okay, so instead of always opening back, looking at the picture and then drawing on the picture, it's like tiresome. And so for that purpose I have put the whole image here, so we can continue over here. So I exit the sketch here, again front plane, edit sketch. So see, this is third angle projection, and this is our front view, top view and side view, and this is our isometric view. So first of all, I'd like to go to the forward plane, so forward view. So I take this forward view and start sketching. Line, sorry, I draw a rough line here at the angle of 90, and again line. You can select line with the help of command L. Okay, so again line, and now I am going to make offset. Okay, one new command. So this is the distance of 20 mm. So I zoom out and zoom in. I just put it, click here and make it 20, make it 20 mm. I'm sorry, so it is now 20 mm. Oh sorry, let me put the dimension before. Okay, so I have to put a dimension before that, 100 mm, and it's 50 mm. Okay, now I have to put offset of 20 mm, and I have to reverse, so it is reversed, right? Yeah, now just draw the line over here, just here and here, click. Okay, again click L, the line will be automatically selected, and then draw over here. So how much this is our front view extruded outside, so you can see it is 120, so I extrude it 120 mm. Okay, go to the feature, extruded bows. Okay, see, blind, go to the there are different types of extruded balls, so I would go to the mid plane. Okay, mid plane, and it was 120, so I will keep it 120. So it is, the front plane is here, so it is 60 to the other side and 60 in the towards my side, so total it becomes 120 mm. Yeah. So it is done. Now what we have to do is we have to use fillets. Okay, it is given R20. Okay, low fat. So first of all, we put slot over here, right? Then we'll go for the end stuff, that is like fillets. So we will use this hole by using command of extruded cut. So, and for extruded cut we first have to draw the sketch, and we will draw straight slots. Straight slot would give us this kind of structure. So first of all, I go to the side view and check this. This is you can say R6 and 80 mm. Okay, I go to the right plane, edit sketch, and then center point slot or straight slot, adjust straight slot. Okay, you can see just here, and okay, now make it like click this and make perpendicular. Okay, now it is centrally aligned. I'll go for the, again I have to select this and select this, as it is 80 mm, so I will put 80 mm, and again R6, so I will put it R6. One more thing, I again go to the, so where is the sketch lost? I can't see the sketch. Can we exit? Okay, sorry. I go to the sketch and oh yeah, now I got it. I can't see sketch because it is on the built on front plane, so I move this way and again go to the this, and you see the distance from bottom to the center is 30, so and again I move this. Okay, now got it. That was like sometime we made little mistakes. Yeah, now it's done. Now go to the feature and we have to use command execute cut, and we wanna cut through all, so I would blind through all, it would cut through all. See, okay, you can rotate your model with the help of like press the middle mouse and just rotate your mouse, keep pressing central button. Okay, now go to the front plane, top plane, edit, this is our top plane and we have to sketch it. Okay, first of all we see here we have to draw like 60 and the diameter is 15, right? Sorry, radius is 15. Go normal to, I go again normal it, I just draw a straight slot as before. Okay, and this, now I have to make this and this like horizontal. I put it like 60 and radius is 15. So let's see back what are actual dimensions of ours. It is 15, this round circle, and this is 60, and the distance from here to the 30. So I keep this distance at 30. Select from here to here. Yeah, it is already 30 because I centrally aligned with respect to origin. Now I go to the feature extruded cut and select this, blind through all. Okay, yeah, now it's done. What I have to do is just to make all the edges round. The diameter of this is a 30. Okay, for bottom is 30 and for front is 20. So I make this. Okay, for to make this round we use fillet command. So where is the fillet command? This is fillet, click here and click here. Yeah, now it is 30. Click here 30, it is symmetric, and select this type of like constant size fillet. Okay, now this, and this was 20, so I'll again go to the fillet, click here, just click here and just click here. See, it is given as previously we used this, so we have to change this to 20. So now it is reduced a little bit, so 20. Okay, we are okay with that. So is there anything else remaining? No, I think we're done here. So once you are done with this, you can delete your model, the this picture. Go to delete and delete this. So this is our model ready. That's all from my side. So let's see meet in the next tutorial. Thanks.